Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ron. Let's talk about bucket list shots. The one that you've been chasing in your head maybe for years. Every content creator has one. The one that lives in your head, it's been there rent-free and it's not moving out anytime soon. The one you sketch in the margins of your notebooks, visualize in your dreams, or obsessively research locations for. It's not just a shot, it's a mission. A whole creative milestone. It's a reminder of why we fell in love with capturing the world in the first place. Now for me, it's flying an FPV drone around an active volcano, ideally during an eruption. I imagine carving through the plumes of ash and smoke and lava that's glowing against the dark sky, while the drone weaves through the steam vents and the craters with exact precision. The danger, the scale, the sheer force of nature, that's the shot I dream about in my head. It's dramatic, it's risky, and unforgettable. And every time I fly, I'm one step closer to building the skill and the confidence to capture it safely and with respect. Every video I post, every drone flight I make, I'm one step closer to that bucket list shot, and it's one more building block in my skill set. Now, of course, with that being said, volcanic eruptions, volcanoes aren't everyone's dream, and that's the beauty of it. Bucket list shots are deeply personal. They're as unique as the people behind the lens. Now maybe your version is something like filming the Northern Lights with the snow-captured peaks glowing beneath the aurora green and purple curtain, or diving deep into a rainforest to capture a remote, barely documented waterfall from above, lush, untouched, and only accessible by hiking for hours with your gear on your back. Or maybe yours is shooting an epic night cityscape with a long exposure from the top of a skyscraper, with the traffic below just rushing and hustling around. Or how about this one? How about tracking a snowboarder carving fresh powder down a remote backcountry slope? The morning light bouncing off the snow as a drone flows right behind them. You know what? Put me down for that one too. That one sounds like a good one. Or how about flying through the ruins of a sunken ship? Bucket list shots aren't always easy. They take planning, patience, skill, and sometimes a little bit, or even a lot, of luck. But chasing them, that's where the magic happens. That's what pulls us out of our creative ruts, push us to learn new gear, wake up at 3 a.m. to travel halfway across the world just for a few seconds of footage that feels like pure gold. So here's my question for you. How many of you have already captured one of your bucket list shots? Or maybe you've captured more than one? Or are you still in the path building your skills and your gear list while the dream's still alive? So wherever you are in your journey, keep going, because chasing the shot is just as meaningful as actually capturing it. And when that moment finally comes and you feel it deep in your bones, long before you ever hit that record button, just remember, keep that dream alive.